Meaning of fiddle.
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 Fiddle. Fiddle has several meanings depending on the context. As a noun, it refers to a musical instrument of the violin family. As a verb, it means to play with something in a playful or careless way, or to adjust or manipulate something in a dishonest way. For example, someone might fiddle with their phone while watching TV, or a politician might fiddle with the numbers to make their budget look better. Regardless of context, the term fiddle implies a sense of tinkering or adjusting, sometimes with negative connotations.